Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your SSL with Let's Encrypt, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin protecting your SSL with Let's Encrypt, open your terminal. Make sure you have root access to your server. First, update your package list by running the command sudo apt update. Next, install certbot by using the command sudo apt install certbot. After installing certbot, you need to install the appropriate plugin for your web server. For Apache, run sudo apt install python 3 certbot Apache. For Nginx, use sudo apt install python 3 certbot Nginx. Once the installation is complete, it's time to request your SSL certificate. For Apache, execute the command sudo certbot Apache. For Nginx, run sudo certbot Nginx. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and agree to the terms of service. Certbot will automatically detect your domain names configured on the server. Select the domains you want to secure with the SSL certificate. Once you confirm, certbot will generate and install your SSL certificate. To verify the installation, navigate to your website using https://. You should see the padlock icon in the browser address bar. Next, set up automatic renewal for your SSL certificate. Run the command sudo certbot renew dry run to test the renewal process. If the test is successful, you will automatically renew your certificate. For added security, make sure your firewall allows HTTPS traffic. Final checks should include visiting your site and ensuring everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations, your SSL is now protected with Let's Encrypt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.